Hello guys, welcome to Dream with Tech, where big dreams are valid. So today I'm going to teach you on how to language detect any language using Python, and it's just one line of code. And without further ado, let's dive in. So today, guys, I'm going to teach you on how to detect any language using the Python module, language detect or lang detect. So the Lang Detect supports 55 languages, and that's the module we are going to use today. So pip install lang lang detect. So we are going to install this module in our Anaconda environment and Anaconda prompt. So open your Anaconda prompt where you are. So open your Anaconda prompt, then paste or write the or type the pip or type pip install lang detect, then click enter. That is going to take at most 1 minute, not more than 1 minute. So you can see mine needs requirement already satisfied because I already installed the module or the library. So you can go ahead as it completes installing, and we can start writing our code, and it's just importing the module, and then we'll ask the user to enter any text in any language, then the program will print the language itself. So from the first thing first to do in Python is to import the module from from lang text import the text. So we can ask the user to input any text in any language. So input, enter any text in any language. Then we can print the language detected. Text function, then we can pass in text. So and that's all. Now let's test our library, the module. Can go ahead and run the program. Let's copy the name of the file. Python language detect. Let's go file. Then click enter. Enter any text in any language. Let's start with English. Hello. How how is you? Can see and represent English. So we can maybe get this text and get the versions of language from maybe Google Translate to help us on to get more language. Google Translate. Let's test with some language. We are going to use English and translate into maybe Arabic. Don't know how it read, but let's see. Then is the text Arabic. I hope so that the short form of Arabic. Let's try another one. Last one. We can try Croatian. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah, and that's all for language detect in Python. If you have any question, you can ask it in the comment section below. Thank you guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.